Today we're going to take a look at how a capital improvement app can perform analysis and cost forecasting, and how it can help you make informed decisions when building budgets for future capital improvements. This is an actual project set up for the town of Milo in New York. The app is point and click. Hover the mouse over a feature on the map and click on it to access information about that feature. Sometimes you'll see attachments and links associated with fields. Just point and click to activate these elements. There are some basic controls in the upper left-hand corner of the map. Use these buttons to zoom in and out. Click the house icon to return to the location that the app defaults to when you open it. This is a search window that allows you to search key fields such as name, address, and location. As you start typing, the window will autofill possible answers, making searching for a feature fast and easy. Now let's take a look at the tools located along the bottom of the map. Here you can access a legend, a list of layers, and the base map gallery. If you click on the green layers icon, you'll see that the sewer system isn't shown. You can click on the system and explore its data simply by clicking on a point, line, or polygon and looking at the info that pops up. At the bottom of some of these pop-ups, you'll notice images attached. You can open these images by clicking on them. The other buttons on the bottom of the app represent bookmarks, draw, measure, graph, query, and select. To make the map less cluttered for the exercises we're going to try out, we're going to turn the sewer system back off by unchecking the box. Let's take a look at this icon on the lower right-hand side. Click this to open all the attribute tables associated with the layers on the map. This will list all the descriptive attributes of the feature, letting you filter data to gain insights, which can then be exported to a spreadsheet. Let's look at a couple of examples. First, we'll open a graph of the town's features and look at the expected capital replacement year, percentage of features to replace, and sum of replacement costs. To do this, we click the chart icon, which is the blue icon located at the bottom of the screen. Choose a feature by clicking on the text. We'll use fire hydrants for this example, then click Apply. This will produce a pie chart of all of the town's fire hydrants and the expected year that they'll need to be replaced. Hover over the pie chart to see the total cost for the features that are expected to be replaced in a given year, as well as the percentage of total features that will need to be replaced in that year. You can hit the arrow buttons to advance to the next graph to see a timeline of these features, helping you to plan and prepare for work years in advance. And you can also click on the zoom icon to enlarge each graph. A question you might be asking is, what can we do now to increase the life expectancy of our features? Or how do we prepare for system upgrades? It's much easier to plan 20 years out for a multi-million-dollar investment than to have to plan it in 5 years. The second exercise will show how to query all features by year and return the sum of replacing those features. First, let's click on the green icon titled Replacement Year. This will pop up a predefined query based on year. Let's enter 2043 and hit Execute. This gives us 21 features that need to be replaced in 2043. If you click on these dots and select Statistics, this will open another window with a field that you can explore further. We'll select Cost of Replacement, which will give us the sum of the 21 features, as well as the maximum, minimum, and average costs of those features. Now let's close out of this and click those dots again. This time we'll select View an Attribute window, which will open up the table for those 21 features. From here, you can explore the tabular data of those features you queried. Under the drop-down menu, you'll see Export to CSV. Click on this to export your results to an Excel spreadsheet. This app is great on its own, but many times it's part of a greater workflow. We can customize apps to aid or replace existing workflows with the end goal of saving you time and money.